We've released 3 new sections for the website builder. You'll now see the FAQ2, our second version of an FAQ, the panel boxes, and the 2-pick plus about section. They're all in the builder and available to you now. When you first add them, this is how they'll look. This is the 2-pick plus about section. This is the FAQ2 section. And here's the panel boxes section. These edit much like the other sections, where you can go into the section controls to replace these photos. And we've had it where you upload the photo and the software will automatically include this little white line space to break it up. You have this extra box to include some text, but if you choose not to have it, you can just turn it off, just like that. You can also choose to hide this title if you want. Go ahead and just edit your text here, and you can change the text and the link on your Read More button. The FAQ section works very similarly to our other one. You can add additional FAQ items. You can rearrange them, just drag and drop them if you wanted to. You add a new one. You can change the font. We'll just do something a little fun here so you'll see the difference. So we just changed the font. You can change the color of the font for those as well. And the final new section for now, the panel boxes. These are very powerful that you can have different images, and when they mouse over, you can have additional text, titles, icons, which are all changeable. You can change your Read More buttons, and you can change where they link to. What's really neat about this section is when you click edit, it opens them up like this so you can start typing without having to mouse over and changing the information. In the section controls, for each box, you can choose a different icon, change the text for the title section, and choose where it links to, upload a photo. Down below these, I went ahead and added them and put in just a couple photos to kind of give you an idea for this one, how it can look. And here for this one, I just threw in one photo. You can get an idea of how that can look as well. And when you're viewing the page, that's how these sections look live. And this one wasn't open at the moment because I didn't save it that way, and this is really up to you. You can choose to have the page load with the first FAQ open, or you could technically do it with any of the FAQs open. If you wanted the page to load with the second one open, you could. So just how you save it. If you save it that way, that's how it's going to load, and then the final section, you'll see how that looks in a live format. One more thing you can do with the panel boxes section. If we add 2 in a row like this, we can kind of customize them to make them look like one section. In the section panel boxes, we can choose to turn off all the text above those sections. Then we could go into our section padding, reduce this, and then we could just reduce the section padding for the section above it as well. Let me give you an idea. If we go ahead and hide our page controls, you'll see how you can get this looking like one section with your title, your text, and as you scroll down, just another 3 boxes, and we could keep doing this. And we could reduce the space here as well by just adjusting the section padding. I hope you enjoy these new sections, and we'll be releasing more very soon.